Hi YouTubers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix an off-track pocket door. As you can see here, the bottom of the door is about 2 inches away from the wall and the top of the door is leaning against the wall. It is because the door is off track. What I mean by off track, the track that is within the groove, this is an old style track, is right in the center of the groove. So here this is the wheel and the wheel is supposed to be in the track, and as you can see here the wheel is off the track. So now we have to put the wheel back in the track. First, I'm going to spray the wheel with some WD-40 to make sure that the wheel can turn freely. Now I'm gonna use my fingers to feel the track to see if there is any deformation on the track, and wherever I realize there is a deformation, I'm gonna use a long nose vice grip or pliers to fix the deformation by softly squeeze it back to the normal position. Now I'm going to remove the screws from the track so I can partially lower the track. Once I lower the track, I'm going to be able to put the wheel back in the track. Removing the screws from the track. To put the wheel back in the track, I'm going to pull the door like I'm closing it, and I'm going to pull the track down toward me slightly and push the door up while I'm playing with the track and the door to put the wheel back in the track. Once I put the wheel back in the track, I'm gonna push the door back. Then put some kind of support under the door, just like that, to hold it up. By doing that, you are going to be able to put the screws back in the track. I close the door so I can have access to the back wheel, and I spray it with something like WD-40. Spray the back wheel. Please remember to subscribe. Thank you for watching.